Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, November 2nd. I thought I would just do a quick video on what we can kind of expect now that we have direction from the Fed as to what they're doing. They are raising another 75 points, and Powell did indicate that there's no sign of slowing that for now. So, what can we expect moving forward? Well, what I noted was we might be looking for a high time frame shift in momentum upon the break of these October 5 highs, and that is what we had. We had a nice shift up. However, we did not manage to get to that pivot. This was the major zone that I was looking at. And now instead we tagged that second half of the year's VWAP at 95 roughly, and we were unable to accept above that. And even more interestingly, we were unable to accept over last FOMC's high at 39.25ish roughly. That was 39.24 quarter, or sorry, 39.25 quarter, and this week's high coming in at 39.24 quarter, so 1 point lower than the last FOMC's high, I believe, or maybe it's the weekly high. 25 quarter and 24 quarter. The Globex hours may have extended a little bit higher into 30s, but overall unable to get there. So, what are we looking for now? We are back inside of this box. We are back inside of that early October highs. Now the question is, can we get to 37.09? That represents the halfback for October. We also have the quarterly VWAP sitting at 37.39, just a little bit higher up. And below that 37.09, we have the monthly pocket 36.89, the October POC. So once we start getting into this area, quite honestly, now that we've lost 38.05 to 38.20, this kind of October high, the early October highs, now that we've lost that, we've lost the majority of the bull momentum. Once we get below October half, that 09, get below the monthly pocket 89.5, get below the quarterly VWAP at 39ish. Once we get below this level -2 zone here, it's going to start getting a lot uglier in my opinion. Let's just zoom in for a second as well. I had circled these, and I've been watching these for a while. These are just low volume, shitty Globex bids, and I had said in the weekly outlook that if these bids are tested with any sort of real volume, they will get immediately ripped apart, and that's what happened. This one from the Monday Tuesday overnight session. What happened? We opened up and we sold right through it. Right? We can delete that. What happened here? We went right through it and we sold right off today. I expect we'll continue to get that 37.35 half. What is that? That's weekly value area high from one of these prior weeks. I think that'll get ripped apart as well. I'm looking for now these. I was quite bullish as long as we held that 38.05. There was no reason to be on the bear side. But we've rejected that second half VWAP. We're back inside of those October highs, the early October highs. And we can expect, both from a fundamental reason and just what the chart is showing us, that these bids continue to get dropped. And we should be looking at a new low of the year if we do break this 36.50. I'll go into a full daily plan for tomorrow in the next video, but it's important to note we do have unemployment and ISM tomorrow, and Friday we still have that non-farm, not non-farm payrolls, it's something else. It's another non-farm rule thing. We also have FOMC, or unemployment, and then Collins will be speaking later in the day. But I just wanted to make a quick video noting that we failed to get to that 39.68, that being the pivot on the higher time frame, this blue circle. Now we're just targeting this lower one, 37.09, and on the weekly view, it's more like 37.35-ish. And I would just, overall, what the point of this video is just say, I would be careful relying on the long side. We've been able to kind of rely on it since late October-ish. It's been decent, the long side, but with the note that that we are hiking rates 75 basis points and getting back below that 38.05 to 38.20 area, I think the best move now is to lean on the short side and be very, very particular with where we want to be entering longs. So I'll post a full video in a little bit for tomorrow's session, but just wanted to put that out there for now. Have a good day and trade safe, you guys.